Let me dance.
Hey everyone, it's Friday. It's Coding with not Sam. We have a special guest fill in today because Sam is taking a much needed week off. This is the last day of Sam's week off. But let me introduce Ansie, who you've probably all communicated with. Good morning, Ansie.
Some point.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good afternoon.
So if you have communicated with us through our contact form or emailed us at info@paidmembershipspro.com, that is mostly Ansie that you're talking with. Ansie's been with us, I want to say 7 years. Is that
7
wrong?
years. 7
7 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. Very important person on this team, handles a lot of our account related queries, handles failed payment processes for us, refunds, chargebacks, all that interesting stuff, but also answers your contact form questions. So when we put out a call for who could fill in for Sam today, Ansie said, sure, let's give it a go.
Pick me. Don't pick me, but yes, here I am.
Hopefully you'll be comfortable and fine to do this. This is really low pressure and good. You were just saying you were excited about this.
Yes, yeah. I am. I mean, you can wake me up in the middle of the night and ask me anything about PMPro, and I know what page to go to, I know what document to give you, I know where to find the code that you need. Or, but I myself don't implement code at all. So this is fun.
Yeah. And most of you are creating your websites yourself. That's what this series is for, so that you can feel comfortable looking at our site, finding these code recipes, maybe leveraging AI a little bit to find a hook in Paid Memberships Pro that you want to manipulate something about your membership site in a safe way. And you're not familiar with code yourself. Maybe you're a little familiar and trying to just reach beyond a little bit of your skill set here to build the membership site that you're trying to create and customize it that way. So what are we customizing and coding today, Ansie?
Okay, so we are diving into a bit of discount codes and how to hide the field that says discount codes. And Kim, we're just gonna, if you can just take us through of why would you want to hide your discount code section?
Do you want to switch to that tab where I sent the link? Now I have to I'll find the link to share with you all. But so on PMPro checkout, once you've created a discount code in the admin of your membership site, that's under memberships, settings, discount codes. So once you have any code created, there's going to be a field on your checkout form that says have a discount code, enter it here. So if you don't have any discount codes created, this recipe is not for you. You're not a site that uses discount codes. It's not needed. But there is some research into the buyer psychology of the presence of a discount code field at your checkout form and what that implies in people's minds. They say, oh, like the fact that there is a field here means that codes exist. I want the best deal possible. I'm going to open a new tab and go search Google and try to find a discount code for this website. I've done it. I'm buying pet food from my the place I buy my dog food for, and they have a discount. I'm always like, what's your discount? We buy all of our domain names through Namecheap. I'm constantly going to their discount page. And that reminds me of something else I'm going to find the link for and share. If you do run discounts and promotions, having a page on your site that lists what the active codes are, even if there are none, is a great SEO play. So I'm going to find that link for you all as well. So what Ansie's going to demo today is making sure that those fields never show up on the checkout form and are only possible to pass as a URL attribute. So people can still use discount codes. You just have to share them manually and personally with someone as an attribute of discount of the URL. So we'll demo that as well. You'll demo how to get a code applied to a checkout when the form isn't present. So let's go. Let's code.
All right, there we go. So the cheat sheet is getting Kim to make you a site. Get yourself a nice demo site. Okay, so you've got your website up and going and you want to go to your dashboard. So I'm going to log in. So I am the admin, so I'm just like putting in my passwords. I'm going to remember myself here and okay. So obviously I'm the admin, so I can go and so let's just go and have a look what it looks like if I am logged in and I want to go to I want to change my membership level. So you've got two levels at the moment. One is a per month fee and one is free. So the free one wouldn't. So at the moment, so let's just go have a look at the raw look of it. It says here the price of membership is, nothing. So let's go back to our membership levels page. And if my level is going to just take me back to my membership account. So let me quickly log out and let me quickly log out and show you what it would look like if I want to select a membership level. So I'm logged out. I'm the user. They want to sign up. And I have.
Do you have discount codes in this site yet?
That's it. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So there's no discount codes. So if you don't have any discount codes in the back end, you won't have an option to enter a discount code. That's step number one. Step number one.
It's tricky having to log in and out all the time. I'm sorry about that.
So I'm logging in again. There was just
so that's what we said. Like if you never created a discount code in your site, you don't need this recipe because our checkout form is smart enough to know that case exists. Yeah. So the second you create one, though.
Okay, so I'm going to memberships, settings. I'm gonna go to my discount codes here. So nothing over here. So add a new discount code.
Perfect.
So I want a premium. I want to make this nice and cheap. I want to give them initial price of $2 and then $25 per month. Okay, I'm saving the code just, so you can change you can change your code name here. So I'm just going to leave it as is. And I'm going to say save code. Right, so I've got my discount code. Should I show what it looks like now? Or should we just get back?
Yeah, and you can click just that levels column there, and then we can show them the URL a while too. If you click the link, there you go. Cool.
There we go.
We're going to
all right. So we've added it. The discount codes have been applied. If you look here at your URL, your discount code is also in the URL. And if you want to change the discount code, this is what everybody will see. Is if there wasn't a discount code applied, this will be empty, and then you're going to apply a discount code. So this is what we want to hide. Is this section here. All right.
And just looking at that URL quick, if you're trying to build checkout URLs, the attribute to add the discount code is PMPro_discount_code.
That's it.
And then the code value there. You can also use just discount_code. We recently prefixed these just for security across other WordPress plugins. And the prefix of PMPro just helps other plugins that might have conflicts and use the same parameters. So.
Yeah.
I leveling like that. Up all of us. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It helps a lot.
If you erase that all after the level ID, it'll show what checkout without and enter there. That's what it would look like without the code.
This is what it would look like. Yeah. All right. So we're still on a demo site. So obviously it's saying that little snippet at the top, but basically this is what we want to change. We want to hide this. All right. So we're going to our dashboard. Then we've got the snippets, code snippets plugin. And it's giving you some standard, it's including a few code snippets here. But we want to create a new one. Okay, so we say add new. Then we're going to give our code snippet a name. I just take it from the recipe page that we'll share in the link as well. This one is what we're going to do, hide the discount code fields. So I'm just going to give my title over there.
And that's so helpful when you go back to your site and you see all the snippets that are running. You're isolating a piece of functionality to a title that you can recognize and read. So later on, if you come back in 6 months and your brain I don't see the discount code field at checkout. That's so weird. The picture on the demo site on PMPro has it. Then code snippets, the title helps you. It's all just future-proofing your forgetful brain.
Yes. And also it's breadcrumbs, it's just, it points you back to where to find it. It's really good. Okay, so we are going to go to our code recipe, and I'm just going to, do you do view raw or do you just copy it from here?
So I guess some of our this is not a snippet that is in our snippets library. So in this case, I would probably do the view raw.
Okay.
if it was already in our snippets library, when you hover over, you might see a little copy button pop up at the upper right, which is a great thing. And we'll get this one migrated as well, because it helps you, prevents you from like copying certain things that you shouldn't. So
yeah. Quick question. Does Code Snippets work where you have to add the description here? You don't have to add that, right?
No.
Okay.
Sometimes so it's helpful. Like our snippets library will have a link back to the post that the snippet is from. So if you copy the full snippet into Code Snippets, and like we said, breadcrumbs 6 months later, you might have a link back to the tutorial you used to implement the feature.
Okay. You see, I'm learning. This is a good learning curve for me.
Good.
Right. So, okay. So as you see here, it's saying I can hide the PMPro show discount code. Okay, this is what we're doing. And then we save and activate. All right. Snippet created and activated. So then I'm going to go back to my site. Do I log out now, or can I just go straight to the... I'm going to log out, right?
You don't have to. Just stay logged in. We'll just switch the URL. So if you go to the levels page, and click to change your membership. We should have given you free. And then you can click on the go to free, but then we'll change the URL. I'm going to change it to ID
URL to 2. No.
There you go.
I should just 2. Here we go.
Perfect.
All right.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! It's gone.
It's gone.
It's magic. I love it. Yeah. So that's that's where you would hide it. And I also thought about it. If you are going to have that section in there, it also... maybe you've got people that are going to reach out to you now. It's like, hey, have you got a discount? So you're also decreasing to say no to people, because it might discourage them from signing up. Or it's like, oh, now that you don't want to give me a discount, then I'm just going to go find another. So people can also be manipulative around that. On the other hand, section 2, a discount code, if that's your audience, might show that you do run sales. And especially if it is for a once-off fee, people can possibly come back. Or if you want engagement, you want people to reach out and you want to give them a little tidbit of a discount.
Yes. So it is like a way to create a conversation. I did put a link to our, someone was asking for an example URL with the code. Ansie, do you want to add at the end of your URL where that 2 is, the ampersand PMPro? It'll probably populate. We'll just show what passing it as a URL is.
I start with?
And like, what are you?
Yeah.
That's an ampersand,
there we go.
Right? Yeah. PMPro. There you go. It just populated.
That's great, because I wouldn't have remembered that at all.
We have someone in chat that your husband is in chat.
Oh, Travis. He's my number 1 fan.
He is your number 1 fan. I'm your number 2 fan. The URL I'm showing here on screen is what a full URL would look like to a specific level IDs checkout with a discount code passed in. So that would, what Ansie's showing on screen here, that's what that looks like. So we're not making it impossible to use discount codes. We're just hiding the fact that they exist unless they already know there's a code. So that's a super helpful thing that Jim asked if we could show that.
Yeah. And while we were planning for this, there's a second discount code recipe we have. Maybe you just want to hide it for a specific level. Or you want to force your customers to use only a discount code as a way of approval. So that was also a great code recipe to
we have a boatload of recipes around. I think we actually have a blog post called like 9 ways to customize discount codes. I don't know. I think if you come to our site and just do some discount code searching, you will find all of these methods.
No, it is a labyrinth of options and customizations we have. I love that we have 60 plus add-ons and then code recipes. Infinite. So we definitely have a vast library.
I'm going to throw this one more. This is a very link-rich coding with Ansie today. But this is, and actually it's funny because Travis is the first person that created our discounts page initially for us when he used to work with us years and years ago. But But this is just that if you are a site that's pretty large scale, there's all these coupon scammers out there on the internet. People trying to use like affiliates or just gather and create like referrals to your site. Say things are coupons that aren't, be the aggregator of the discount codes for your site. So depending on how large scale your membership site is, we reached that scale where we were like, oh, like these coupon sites are saying there's coupons for PayMerchants Pro. There aren't any right now, or what are they? They're misleading people. So it was very easy for us to own the Google search result first place because we are the domain that that people are looking for. We are the product, and we created a discounts page where we can show, if we wanted to, an always on discount code for people, or a newsletter sign up to say like, here, enter your email address and we'll let you know when we have an upcoming promotion. So it's really useful. If you're at that scale and you see other coupon scammers creating fake discount codes to your site, people will be like, I found your coupon on couponxyz.com and it didn't work, you know? But you know, everyone loves a deal, right?
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't love a deal? You did awesome, Ansie. We will have you back if you will have us.
I'll have you back. I really enjoyed it. Thank you. It was like magic when I tested this, and I was like, oh, it worked.
Right. And it's so rewarding. I think people think this code is this mystical, undiscoverable, impossible thing. And then as we start to get more comfortable, we use a recipe like this. Didn't have anything to customize about it. Very straightforward. You put it in and you see the effect right away. It's like, I'm a genius, you know? And before you know it, you're writing your own code recipes from scratch.
Yes,
so super cool. Do you want to open up our live events page on our site, paidmembershipspro.com/live, and I'll just go over some. And you could say I didn't mean to cut you off.
No.
If you're in our Slack community or thinking of joining, paidmembershipspro.com/Slack. If you have problems implementing this recipe or some of the other ones we teased, like always showing the discount field, customizing so it just doesn't show for certain levels, any of that stuff, let us know. We said how our code is smart, that if discount codes don't exist on the site, it doesn't show the field, but you might have levels that discount codes actually don't apply to. And that's really the use case there. You might have a sale on we have Plus membership, right? But we also have a hosting, and our hosting doesn't have a coupon. So those discount codes fields are going to show on our hosting checkout URL, but it shouldn't, because there are no existing coupons that apply to that level. And I think our code's not that smart. We could probably make it that smart, but it's not that smart currently. Okay. Let's go over what's coming up. We have a super cool event. So many of you sent in newsletters. I was shocked.
It was amazing. Yeah.
When Dylan proposed this topic, I was like, I don't know if we're going to get anyone to send in a newsletter. Yeah. And we got so many, and there's such a variety, right?
Yeah.
Different associations.
Very
like
interesting.
Someone who writes piecemeal, like a novel piecemeal, and is sending a newsletter with like different episode kind of segments, chapters, I guess they are. So that's coming up. You have until today, maybe tomorrow still, if you're lucky. Send us your newsletter. Check for your recent, our newsletter, asking you for your newsletter. But it would be great if you can send us a link to like a public archive for a newsletter that you've published recently, if you'd like Dylan to roast it nicely. We are never going to roast in a mean way. This is not the Tom Brady roast. This is
no. Somebody said, be gentle. Be gentle. And we're like,
And I thought the newsletter was beautiful that they said to be gentle about. Yeah. So that's coming up on the 23rd. We're going to have an AMA with Jason on a Tuesday, the 28th of October, which is not our usual day, in the sidebar there. Oh, that's good. That helps too.
Okay.
All right. Yes. So an AMA with Jason on the 28th. Sam will be back in the coding hot seat with us on Halloween, on Spooky Day. What were we supposed to call it? I forget. Yeah. So Sam will be back. I'm not sure what we're supposed to call it. Something like that. November is packed with events. I'm not going to read through all of them. We're going to do have some more guests in. We have Jill Binder coming on to do some live presentation coaching. So she will be on with members of the PayMerchants Pro team. Ansie, are you going to come? I didn't get anyone yet. You will?
Oh, I'll come.
So I don't know how the format will go. Jill does presentation coaching for live presentations and for people that deliver video content, webinars, coaching online. So just to make us all more comfortable, engaging, getting our message across clearly.
Is this on the 20th?
Honestly, just doing it. No, that's not on the calendar yet. It's the 13th of November.
Oh, okay. Okay, great.
Yeah. So I have to still add that. We're just waiting on a good description of that event. So lots of cool things coming up. Hit up that live page and lots of community events, community co-working. Emily, I saw you in chat earlier. You said you were driving and listening. Emily was just on with us and showing us all the cool stuff that is going on with the projects she's working on. So it might sound scary to come on a co-work session, but it's usually like 2 of our team members and 1 of you. So it would be wonderful if more people came. But it's really a low pressure, just a fun time to connect. So if you check that page, you'll see it. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Ansie was telling me she has a fun, busy day with the children's school tomorrow.
Yes. Yeah. So that's
Travis, I don't know what you're doing there, but I'm sure you're helping out as well.
Yeah. Yeah. He's just manning the little one, so all good.
Oh, we have one comment here. Martin's Videos is going to put the snippets into a custom plugin. Yep. That works too. Modifying the checkout page to move the auto renewal checkbox up under. Yeah, if you it can be done with custom code. You shouldn't have to create a custom checkout page for that. I'll just quick sidebar that. It is possible to customize the entire checkout page with a theme or plugin loaded version, but it also creates this like thing you have to maintain forever. So it is possible with hooks, I believe, to juggle the position of the auto renew checkbox. That's our auto renewal add-on that allows you to create a pricing structure for a level has a subscription, but allow people to choose to just make a payment for one single term. So that's the add-on that Martin's Videos is talking about. Hopefully you're in the Slack community or getting our support and we can show you how to do that. Or maybe you're a developer also and totally comfortable, which is wonderful. Cool.
Yeah.
Hope you have a great weekend. Yeah. Cool. All right. I'm going to end the stream. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you on October 31st for the next Coding with Sam. It will be Sam, but we'll promise to bring Ansie back in the future too.
Thanks, Kim.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope you got some value out of what you just watched. If you're serious about building a profitable membership site, the fastest way to launch or scale is with a premium plan at paidmembershipspro.com. We've made it as affordable as possible to get started, and most people who upgrade stick with us for years. Why? Because they're making money, and we keep delivering expert support, premium add-ons, and a private community of over 1,000 creators building businesses just like yours. Click the link to compare plans or keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.